This video answers how to buy shares of Mobilicom Ltd/Australia and walks through the basic steps for MOB. Mobilicom develops rugged wireless communications and secure networking solutions, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker MOB. This guide is educational and not financial advice. Always do your own research. To buy MOB, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a practical example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MOB to find the exact listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches Mobilicom Ltd/Australia to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and view the price chart to confirm it is the right Mobilicom listing. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker MOB before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a market on open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the final confirmation. Once confirmed, your MOB position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this walkthrough.